y'all. So as back to school is approaching and we're starting this new spring semester, I wanted to take a little time to give myself some extra care. So first I'm putting on a La Roche-Posay soap for my face, which I use all the time. And I'm just going ahead and putting that in. But this particular day, I actually was going to be starting a new job the next day after being on this long overdue winter break. So I was like, okay, let me get myself in the mood to be back working and back getting the flow of things. So first I'm just washing my face, and then I got me a nice little fresh towel out to go ahead and get that done. Then I got this Aztec Healing Clay face mask, and I did choose to mix it with apple cider vinegar. I did put some little water in there though, so that it wasn't like as potent, and that I was able to dilute it a little bit. But then I just spread that all over my face. Then while I had the face mask drying, I just took this time to work on my hair. So I separated my leave out from the rest of my bundles, and then I began spraying it with water because I was doing a flexi rise set, and I feel like the curls sometimes be a little bit better when it's damp. So I did that, and then I just started doing my hair. Okay, y'all, once my hair was done, I proceeded to get in the shower, and this was actually a shower steamer, which I hadn't tried before, but I was looking into buying it from Target, and they didn't have any. Then I saw it at Sephora, so I was like, okay, this works out perfect. Then I just used my native soap that I always used on my African net, and then I went in and used the Sol Janeiro soap, and then I used the scrub as well. Then as soon as I got out the shower and finished drying myself off, I put on these gold eye masks that I did have in my refrigerator, so they were cold, along with this frozen water ice ball thing, and this just helps to genuinely calm me down. And not like I wasn't calm before, but you know. And then I put on this little lip scrub. Then I went in and I put on this body butter that I really love the smell of, y'all. It just smells so good. And then afterwards I followed up with the scent as well, like the body mist, and I just sprayed that on before I wiped everything off my face, and then started to moisturize. Then the Vaseline, I need to start using the lotion, but I don't. And then I grabbed this bio oil, which is almost out, and I put that on my chest because I was having a lot of acne there. I don't even know if it's working, but then I also put it on some other body areas as well. Then once my shower routine was complete, I got everything out in order to make me just a little cup of hot cocoa, which this is something I typically do frequently during the winter time, but yeah, it was really delicious. I also made me some cookies, and they were good too. Then I just finished the night up by brushing my teeth, of course, and I also tried these new whitening strips that I hadn't tried before. I've used the Crest ones a lot in the past, but I never tried these, and honestly don't even remember or know if I used them in the right order, if I should have switched it around or what, but this was how I did it. And then I lit this candle, y'all. This was my real candle that I was lighting for the scent, and then this candle I genuinely just lit lit for the video. But yeah, just because of the saying it's cute or whatever. And then after this, I just turned on my projector and watched this little show as I fell asleep. For those of y'all that have watched this far in the video, I just wanted to remind y'all to make sure that you're taking time for yourself during this season and all of the seasons to come.